Hi everyone, welcome to MashMath. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.3, question 4. In figure, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So we have to show this, we have to prove this. Okay. So what is that? Let's see, which are these two triangles? Let me highlight it. Triangle PQS. PQS. So this triangle. Okay. So PQS. This is the triangle. So this triangle, we have to show that this is similar to TQR. TQR is T is here, Q is here, R is here. So this. Is it clear? So this yellow color triangle, a small triangle, is similar to this big triangle. That's what we have to show. So before that, what are the things are given? Let us write it down. From there only we have to find the answer. So what is given? Given is QR upon QS. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. Okay, so this is given to us. Let's keep this as equation 1. Then also what is given to us? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So that's also is given to us. So we can keep it this as equation 2. Okay, so two things are given to us. So now look at it here. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So this angle is equal to this angle. So that means you have studied in your smaller classes that in triangle, if you have a triangle ABC, okay, if your triangle where both the angles are equal, okay, both angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So when you have two angles are equal, you have studied when angles are equal, their opposite sides also will become equal. That means if these two angles are equal means side AB will be equal to side AC. This you have studied. Okay. So can we take same thing that if this angle 1, this angle 2 are equal, then triangle PQR, in this triangle, in triangle PQR, this is another triangle, okay? In triangle PQR, can we say that PQ will be equal to PR? Like this only. If you take it this as triangle PQP, okay? P, okay, let us take this P and this is Q and this is R. Okay, triangle PQR, then PQ will become equal to PR. So let us take that. Okay, so in triangle PQR, okay, from equation 2, because equation 2 is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, from equation 2 we get that PQ will be equal to PR. So let's keep as equation 3. Okay, now we have here one equation, here we have, and here we have 3 equations. Okay, so now look at this triangle. I am turning. Okay, now look at this. Now does it make any sense for you? This is a big triangle. Green color, what you see is the big triangle, and then you have this yellow color small triangle. Inside the green color, one small yellow color triangle is there. Okay, so now in this the ratios are given. What are this? Ratio already given is QS upon SR, and here you have QP upon PT. Okay, this is the ratio you have. The small triangle side is this and big triangle side is this. Okay, small triangle is QS and big triangle is QR. Small triangle is QP, big triangle side is QT. So first we will see yellow color, then you see big, or you see green color, then you see yellow color. There are two different triangle. Okay, so green color triangle is yellow color triangle is small triangle, green color triangle is a big triangle. So there are two triangles are there. So you see the ratio that is given to us. This shall I draw different, I'll draw it separately this way. Okay, QRT and this is PS, right? For yellow color it is PS. So I'll just draw it separately. Okay, separately, same thing I'll draw it. Here I'll draw. Okay, you consider this is your big green color triangle, that is Q, and this is T and this is R. See, Q, T, R. Okay, big green color triangle. Then I'll draw a small triangle, yellow color triangle. So this becomes P and S, this small yellow color. Okay, now you see Q, angle Q is common for small triangle also and for big triangle also. Okay, so then this becomes common. Then another thing what we have, so let us take this triangle. Okay, so in this triangle, so this angle becomes common, and then you see, if you have to see the ratio that is given to us, what is given to us? QR upon QS. QR, where it is this side, QR, it's a big triangle side, QR upon QS, small triangle side, is equal to QT, that is big side triangle, upon PR. So PR is we don't have. So now look at here, we have here PQ is equal to PR. We have already proved here PQ is equal to PR because of this I told you. So PQ is equal to PR means instead of PR can we write PQ, and PQ comes where? PQ comes here. Now can we write now QT upon, instead of PR we will write PQ because we have proved here PQ is equal to PR. So now the ratio will be equal, because this is what we have to prove. Actually we have to it is already given to us, the ratios are equal. So if the ratios are equal of big triangle side and small triangle side, big triangle side and small triangle side, the ratios are equal means then and one angle already is equal for small triangle also or for big triangle also. So can we say by side, angle, side criteria both become similar, because we have to prove that they are similar. So that's what we are going to write here. So you can write down here. So from equation 1 and 3 we have. So 1 and 3. So let us write down QR upon QS equal to QT upon, instead of PR let us write down PQ. So we are getting the ratio now, both the side ratio same, and angle Q is equal to angle Q because it is common. Okay, so now can we say that by side, angle, side, because we have that only, right? Angle is common, this angle is common for this green color triangle and small yellow color triangle. Q becomes common, and then we have proved the ratio also, that QR big green color side upon QS, then QT upon QP, ratios are also equal. So both are equal and the angle also is equal. So side, angle, side, angle, side criteria of similarity triangle PQS, that is triangle PQS, yellow color triangle, similar to triangle green color, that is TQR. Triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. I hope it is clear to you. It's very easy, nothing. Just to remember the figure, that is, this is a big triangle, this is a small triangle. Already ratio is given to us. Only we change, instead of PR, PQ we have to put it, because PQ comes this side. So what we do, because the clue is given to us, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So this side PQ becomes equal to PR, and therefore instead of PR we can write PQ. So then the ratio becomes similar, and Q is the common for both the triangles, and therefore side angle side criteria of similarity, we can say both the triangles are congruent. That's both the triangles are similar. Congruent means it is equal. Here we are not studying about congruent, we are studying about similarity, where sizes can be different but the ratios should be equal. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.